So the market is up. What should you do? Check this out. Hey guys, allow me to give you an update on what's happening in the market. So as of 1:17 p.m. Now, by the way, since I won't have any internet while the flight is cruising later on, so we're about to take off already. This video will be posted probably 11, 12, or 1 a.m. Philippine time, which means that there will be some market movement already a few hours after this. But rest assured that what we're seeing as of the first 3 hours of trading is that the market is up. It's up 1.98%. It's up 138.65 points, and relatively volumes though are it's still not as convincing. It's only 2.43 billion, but similar to what you've seen in the previous videos. Most of the volume happens at the afternoon. You have volatility in the morning, but you have volume in the afternoon. But on the previous days, there really hasn't been much volume yet. Volume gives us conviction. Volume gives us such signs that there's more people compelling at once to come into the market. So let's break this down even more. Number one, looking at the chart now, it confirms a bounce from the 6.8 support level. As what I've mentioned in the previous videos, we have a support at 6,800. After that also, it showed confirmation that it broke out already from the 7,000 level. So now here are two things that we need to watch out for. Number one is it stays above 6.8, and which validates that there's a support at 6.8. Next is the bounce from 7,000, or the breakout from 7,000. All of this though is pretty much because the market is oversold. I repeat, all of this is because the market is relatively oversold already. So because of that, since the market is oversold, you can really expect a lot of people bottom feeding, bottom fishing, and trying to get a bit of stocks that are relatively cheap as well. But other than that, we don't have any reversal signals yet denoting that the market is shifting from bearish to bullish. But if there's one thing that you can actually pinpoint also is MACD. As of this point in time, is showing us already a change in direction. Not yet a change in direction from bearish to bullish, but a change in direction from a market that has been dropping to something that's at least stabilizing and bouncing as well. So good. It's a good signal for MACD. It's a good signal for RSI, for those who have a more bullish preference or who wants the market to go up. I think the next level of resistance for the short term can be pegged at around 7375. I repeat, the next level of resistance can be pegged at 7375. So that's something that you need to watch out for. Should this movement up progress now, as of halftime it's 7125. Should this progress, there's also, by the way, before it even goes to 73, there's a resistance at 7161. For those who use moving averages, we have one at that level. So 7161, it's a weaker one, it's a shorter one and a weaker one. Then you have the stronger one at 7375. So I'd watch out for those two resistance levels. If the market fails to break out of 7161, you can expect it to retrace again downward at a much lower level, not today anymore, but probably in the next few days. Or if it breaks out of 7375, fails to break out of that, you can expect that the range on the market on where it could possibly go will be from 6.8 to 7375 over the midterm. So that could be a possible consolidation level for the stock. I don't know how low can this go, or if it's even done, if it's even finished. But what's interesting is that 6.8 levels, the market has somehow twice already shown us that there's an evident level of buying as the markets go below 7,000. So things to consider: the resistance at 7161. Number two, the resistance at 7375 as well. So again, we just have a change in direction via MACD. We also have markets being oversold, but we don't have a specific reversal signal yet for the stock. So I guess that's it. I'm headed to Qatar. If I get to upload this before the flight taxis up. Then cool, you get to have a PSEI update. Very quick, very fast. But if I don't get to do this will be uploaded tonight already, Manila time, or around 1 or 2 a.m. Manila time. So the market will be closed by then. But I hope this helps you, and I hope this gives you generally confidence on how to trade the markets, because it can be done wherever you are in life. You can win, you can trade, and people can invest in the markets. It can be done with decent confidence. So that's it for now. Marvin Irmo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon.